Alright guys, so to do our second follow-up for today with the CCI and the ATR, we're waiting a little bit, being a little patient. Give me a second, I'll show you guys the time frames we're on here, 15-minute time frame. Ideally, look, what we're looking for is when both the ATR and the CCI are a little bit flat on the bottom, or CCI is below the negative 100 level, and the ATR is very flat on the bottom. Now, you can see that during these times, right here the ATR is flat on the bottom, CCI on the bottom, oversold. We look at the movement we get from that. Now, it's not guaranteed you're going to get this movement every time, but this is ideally how you want to combine these two indicators. So, what we're looking at now is maybe a potential trade with silver. We'll keep you updated on it. We see that silver's been, especially over the past week, on a nice bullish run, and you can notice on the 1 hour chart we've got movements up, and then we have flags or symmetrical triangles, another symmetrical triangle, and the same time here another symmetrical triangle. So we could be poised for another breakout with silver on up to the $18. So that's what we're looking at now. We're analyzing it on a shorter term scale just because we're using this strategy, but we'll keep you guys up to date and we'll let you know the results if we do initiate a trade. Speak soon. Take care, guys. Hey guys, it's David again. Just to follow up from the last video, quick segment. As I was explaining with the ATR and the CCI, we saw that they were both lying kind of flat, and we expected from our indications for silver to head up to the 18 area, and you can see it's there now. So again, we noticed a little symmetrical triangle. Now we see the next uptick. Guys, this is all about the history of the market, trading psychology. Just if you don't understand these things, request a free consultation. We'd be more than happy to assist you with whatever you need. Get a package, get started, get our free audio book. There are a number of things that can assist you in trading on the market. Learn some of these strategies that will be very useful. Another thing, guys, with this indicator, with this strategy, take a look. Here's a prime example. We've got the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. We see the CCI start to trend up, but at the same time the ATR still lays flat, and you can see what the candle right now is doing. It's not going anywhere. It's actually starting to head into a bearish direction. So there are a number of identities to confirm before initiating a trade, and this being one of them. As I said, you want more confluence with this strategy combination. As you see, they are not coinciding together. Again, with the CCI moving up, the ATR laying flat, the candle goes nowhere. Now, if the ATR starts to move its way up, ideally and hypothetically, we're looking at the candles to continue an uptrend. Another thing I want to cover is I mentioned this a lot, there's a strategy we use sometimes called closing the gap. You can see we had a gap here, opened up the morning well below where it finished the day yesterday, opens up in the morning, closes the gap. So this is one strategy we use sometimes when we feel confident based on some fundamental analysis as well. Stay tuned, guys. Be sure to get on board for some free consultation and get started today.